Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fantastic, and today I'm going to do the review of Puna beauty blender. Basically, I recently shopped from Amazon and I picked a few stuff like basic necessities which I really wanted to, and I was quite amazed with the quality. Beauty blender comes with a duration of 1 to 3 months. Like you can use this beauty blender very nicely and generously for 1 to 3 months. It retails for 699 rupees. It is mentioned over here, but on Amazon I got it just for 250 rupees, which was a steal deal, guys. And the quality, like, let me take a moment and then say, oh my god, the quality of this beauty blender has just amazed me like anything. And I actually wanted to do this review. If you remember my Mumbai haul, there I showed you my like a mini haul where I actually picked up beauty blender, which was from Crawford Market. Yeah, it was like a kit of certain beauty blenders, and that was for 199 rupees. So I have few of those, and out of them I did try them actually, and out of them I did not like these ones. I only like this one, which is actually for blending your concealer. I really like the quality of this beauty blender, so I was actually in a need of a new beauty blender. So I picked up this one from Amazon, and this retail, as I said, for 250 rupees. So the actual size of this beauty blender is this. Like, can you see this? It's very tiny, and when you damp it, it gets double the size. Like, can you see the change in the size? I am amazed by the quality, guys. Again, I'm telling you, this is just amazing. Side has got a sharp cut, so you can actually blend your concealer, or you can even bake your under eye. And the other end, you can actually use this for applying your foundation. I have already used, that's why it's like kind of dirty. But yeah, I have used this, and it is very soft, guys. I can't tell you, it is really soft. So this was a very short and a mini review of this beauty blender. I just wanted to share it with you all because I really felt this is worth money. I hope you enjoyed this video, and do let me know if you have any suggestion or any kind of video request. I would love to do that. Till then, you guys take care, and I shall see you guys in some other video.